For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the train. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you. Welcome to the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration, where 70 years of magic, memories, and happiness fill every corner of the happiest place on Earth. We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Welcome back to our Magic Key holders. Unlock more magic today with your pass by checking the Magic Key portal on the Disneyland app for your latest discounts and special offerings under Extras Unlocked. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone to visit, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, between the parks, or in the downtown Disney district. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated.
As we are approaching, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram comes to a going speed stop. And I have indicated it is safe for you to exit towards the driver's left-hand side. Once again, that will be the driver's left, and only the driver's left away from the street.
I can't wait until they build that big thing. Over there, it's like, I forgot, it's like the power, it's somewhere to P, Parker Power.
Please wait.
It's gonna be really big.
Lower your head, watch your step, exit towards the driver's left.
Once again, please remain behind the yellow safety line until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Please wait. Folks, go ahead, watch your step.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
And driver, you're clear.
If you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland Resort vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Parking Structure. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then, gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. It's been a joy celebrating happy with you at the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
As we approach our one and only stop, please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. And I have indicated that it is safe for you to exit to the driver's right-hand side and right-hand side only. Please lower your head, watch your step, and exit towards the driver's right-hand side.